After dealing with the frustrating Harlowe Green Tree glitch in Borderlands 4 myself and spending valuable time testing various fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I'll walk you through them now to get your game running perfectly. First up, a simple game restart and clearing your cache. Your computer keeps temporary data and memory for games. Sometimes this data gets confused or corrupted, leading to visual bugs. A quick restart clears out this old data, letting the game load everything fresh and resolving many minor software conflicts that cause glitches. Next, we address your graphics drivers. These are crucial software instructions that tell your graphics card how to draw game visuals. Outdated or corrupted drivers often cause rendering errors, making objects like the green tree appear broken. Updating drivers provides the latest optimizations, while rolling back can fix issues from a problematic new version, ensuring your visuals are rendered correctly. Moving on, sometimes the problem is within Borderlands 4's in-game settings. High graphical settings can occasionally conflict with your system's hardware or current drivers, causing unexpected visual bugs. Lowering settings like texture quality or disabling environmental effects reduces the workload on your graphics card, preventing it from struggling to render complex elements like the Harlowe Green Tree. This helps pinpoint and resolve conflicts. Finally, consider a system file check and repair. Your operating system relies on critical files for all programs, including Borderlands 4, to function. If these essential system files are damaged, it can directly impact how your game runs and displays elements. Using a system tool to scan and repair corrupted files ensures your core system is healthy and fully supporting Borderlands 4, which is vital for fixing persistent glitches and restoring smooth gameplay.